Leading 9-inch -1 cavitation RF machines, advanced features, versatile handpieces, salt ready. Both machines have a metal chassis, but metal handpieces offer superior durability over plastic. Lightweight and portable, both machines ensure easy room transitions, saving salon time. These machines ensure stable movement, with a metal model offering added security. Metal handpieces deliver advanced functionality, added durability, and a premium client experience. Achieve body contouring and facial treatments, with metal handpieces ensuring lasting reliability. Choose the 9-in-1 cavitation machine with metal handles for premium results and lasting value.